Test number 2. I actually found my sticks this time. My Hornets. These are better. I like them. They're a little bit heavier than the bit sticks. A little bit heavier than the other sticks. But that's why I like them. Anyways, here we go. That was horrible. I'm sorry. I just kind of warming up. I haven't played in a long, long time. But yeah. So, yeah, let's try this again. Different one. I have no idea what I'm doing. I haven't played in so long. And this is a little too tight. Not bad. Oh geez, you didn't even stop. Okay, hold on. I suck. I know. I know. I know. Okay, now that's a little harsh. I know. Shut up. Shut up. There. Better. 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 I like that. Okay. Things acting up. Look! It's not my fault. I am not a bad drummer. I noticed that things have been slipping a lot lately, but that's alright. There goes the stick. Okay, this is getting embarrassing. I'm gonna shut that off. It's been a while. Maybe next time you see me I'll be a little bit better.